The end of coding? Examining Nvidia CEO's prediction and its future impact. Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, recently sparked a debate by suggesting that advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, particularly generative AI, could lead to the decline of traditional coding. This prediction challenges the long-held notion of coding as a foundational skill in the tech industry. Let's delve deeper into Huang's claim, explore its potential ramifications, and analyze the future of coding in this evolving landscape. Understanding Huang's perspective. Huang argues that the rapid progress in AI, specifically tools like natural language processing, NLP, will make coding unnecessary for many tasks. He envisions a future where users can describe what they want a program to do in plain English, and AI will translate that into functional code. This could democratize programming, allowing individuals without extensive coding knowledge to develop applications. The rise of generative AI. Generative AI, a subfield of AI concerned with creating new content like text, images, and even code, is a key driver behind Huang's prediction. Tools like Google's AutoML or GitHub's Copilot are already assisting programmers by suggesting code snippets or automating repetitive tasks. As these tools become more sophisticated, they might eventually generate entire programs based on user instructions. Potential benefits. Huang's vision, if realized, could offer several advantages. Here are some possibilities. Increased accessibility. Coding can be a complex skill requiring years of practice. AI-powered tools could make programming accessible to a wider range of people, fostering innovation and diversifying the tech workforce. Faster development. Generating code through AI could significantly accelerate the development process, allowing businesses to bring products to market quicker and adapt to changing needs more efficiently. Reduced errors. AI-generated code could potentially be less prone to human error, leading to more reliable and secure software. Challenges and considerations. While Huang's prediction is intriguing, there are significant challenges to consider. Limited scope. Current AI tools are still in their early stages and struggle with complex algorithms or tasks requiring deep understanding. It's unlikely that AI can completely replace the need for human coding expertise. Job displacement. If AI automates a large portion of coding tasks, it could lead to job displacement for programmers. However, this might create new opportunities in areas like AI development, training, and managing these tools. Ethical concerns. The ability to generate code raises concerns about malicious applications like deepfakes or automated hacking tools. Robust safeguards and ethical guidelines are crucial to responsible development and use of these technologies. The future of coding. It's more likely that AI will augment coding rather than replace it. Here's what the future might hold. Hybrid approach. Programmers may work alongside AI tools, leveraging their expertise for critical tasks while using AI for automation and code generation. Shifting skill set. The focus of coding might shift from writing code from scratch to understanding AI tools, selecting the right tools for the job, and overseeing their efficient use. Emphasis on problem solving. The core skills of a programmer, problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, will remain valuable. Programmers will need to adapt and focus on higher-level tasks like designing algorithms and user interfaces. Conclusion. While the complete eradication of coding may be far-fetched, AI will undoubtedly change how we interact with and utilize code. The onus lies on companies and educators to prepare future generations for a world where human and machine intelligence collaborate to create groundbreaking technologies. By embracing this evolving landscape, we can unlock the true potential of AI and empower individuals to become well-rounded tech professionals of the future.